28 minutes after I mentioned it would be a bright weekend. I've poked a little fun at my hometown of Bright for the past 20-odd years with small-town jokes, including one that isn't true at all, about the biggest annual event of the year in the region, the Bright Dart Club's Santa Claus Parade. I've told folks that the parade is so well supported with floats and bands and clowns that it fills the entire main street, so they line the parade up and the people walk around it. Well, this year, I've been invited to act as Grand Marshal for the 25th anniversary of that parade.
This is the man who called to ask me if I would be the parade's Grand Marshal. Oh, he doesn't look like that now. Kenneth is a little older than this picture shows, but it's the only one I have of him. You see, I looked like this when I took that photo. The parade chairman that first year, 25 years ago, was Ken's late father, Charlie. And as you can see, the parade really did move down the street, complete with bands, floats. This particular float is 30 years old now, and there's no word yet as to whether or not it'll make it out again this year. TV London's float will be there, along with Rodney and the Rink Rat. We'll hope that Santa's beard has grown some over the 25 years of the parade. One thing for certain, it'll be a bright memory for a lot of folks, especially yours truly.
I can imagine the puns and the jokes that are going to be taking place tomorrow.
Actually, it'll be a lot of memories as we get together with people we haven't seen for a long time in a village that doesn't look quite like it did.